Being considered a leader here on campus definitely took the help of joining a few different organizations and just becoming involved. I became a peer academic leader, or you may hear it as PAL. And so with that, I was able to be a TA, or a teacher assistant, for first year students and just provide different resources and opportunities for them. Doing that job, I was able to be trained in just inclusivity, understanding how to navigate different people and different perspectives, focusing on my communication and just understanding what I am interested in life. And so with that, I was able to network with different offices on campus, network with different students and different other leaders on campus. That same year, I was able to join an organization called Alpha Kappa Psi, and that's a business fraternity where pretty much they push you to your, not your limit, but push you out of your comfort zone to be a leader, because everyone's a leader, whether they know it or not. But I think the important thing that I learned was being able to follow as a leader. That was something that I didn't realize a leader needed to know. So little things like that I was able to learn on UNCG's campus. When you're a leader on campus, people are going to look towards you for guidance or for assistance. And so being able to navigate that in a student perspective was definitely different for me, but challenging at the same time, where I grew a lot. Understanding the spaces I'm taking, understanding how to navigate with people I may not always agree with. Little things like that will come up later on in life, I was able to learn right here at UNCG, because being a leader allowed me to get those opportunities to experience this before I'm in the workplace.